Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you're here for today's video because it is time for another crafty tutorial. Today's project is another super fun, easy, and quick craft that anyone can do. So we're basically just doing a reverse transfer with this Mod Podge. I think that's what everyone is calling it, and we're gonna be turning our wooden blanks from this to this. So if you're ready to see how I made these, then keep watching. Alright y'all, so for this craft you're going to need your wooden blanks, some printed pictures, whatever you're wanting to use, some Mod Podge, some type of brush to brush on our Mod Podge, and some scissors to cut out our pictures. Now if you choose to, you can paint your wooden rounds a color first. I'm just going to be giving mine a quick white base with some white spray paint. And other than that, you will need a wet paper towel later or a wet rag or something, but that's all that you need for this craft. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. And make sure you remember to flip your image or mirror it before you print it. Alright, so this is good right here. I'm just going to let this completely dry, and then we're going to take these upstairs and add our Mod Podge. Okay, and then we're just going to pour some Mod Podge on all of our wooden blanks, and we're going to completely coat it. Okay, you don't want a bunch of excess because then your paper is going to get really wrinkly and kind of gross. So just enough to coat it nicely. And then we're just going to be setting our pictures right over the Mod Podge while it's wet, and you're not going to touch it until it is completely dry. Okay, so just like that, and now we're just going to leave this to completely dry before we're ready for the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for our other wooden blanks and put the pictures on these. Alright, now like I said, we are going to let these completely dry before we're ready for the next step. Alright y'all, so it has been a few hours and the Mod Podge and picture is completely dry to the touch. So I just have a damp washcloth here, and I'm just going to set it on my project just for a few seconds to kind of dampen the paper on there. It just makes it easier to rub off. Okay, so you see how it's kind of damp now. So now you're just going to take your wet washcloth or paper towel and you're just going to start rubbing until you start to see like that picture, the paper start peeling up, and you're basically just going to be rubbing all of this off. So you see that line right there? That's where we have peeled off that paper. Alright, and here is our picture. So I'm just going to let this dry, and we're going to go ahead and keep working on all of our other pictures that we did. And then we're going to come back through and paint our edges and borders just to finish them up and make them look really nice. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go around and paint all of the edges on all of my pictures. So all of our edges are completely dry now, so our signs are done. Now you could coat them with Mod Podge if you want them to have like a nice finish on them. I kind of like the worn matte look, especially for these like Halloween pictures. So I'm not going to be covering mine in another layer of Mod Podge. I'm going to be leaving mine as is. And I think I have to say the actual pictures are definitely my favorite. Such an easy and cool project. I definitely recommend you guys try it out for yourself. Alright y'all, that is where I'm going to leave you guys today. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video but you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.